Britt here out of Minnesota, USA. This week we've got 3 game-changing tools at special prices you won't want to miss. First up, we have the Shredder Full Bar for just $37 each. This is a serious tool for coating removal built for maximum efficiency. If you've got tough concrete or adhesives to remove, this plate is your go-to. It's got the power to get the job done faster without the wear and tear. Next, the Rhombus Double Segment 6-grit hard bond at $38 each. This one's built for softer concrete. It's got dual segments to give you extra power for those heavy-duty grinding jobs. You'll get faster, smoother results with less effort, and it's built to handle anything you throw at it. And last, we got the Full Bar 40-grit soft for just $20 each. Perfect for hard concrete, this tool offers the right balance of power and precision. Whether you're grinding wet or dry, it'll handle everything from tough coatings to surface prep. These tools are built to last and designed to save you time and money. Grab them while supplies last. You can visit us at fast-prep.com and/or call us at 802-489-0828. For more information, message me now.